In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix TikTok calling feature option not showing. Let's get started. First, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for TikTok. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the app, so launch TikTok app. Navigate to settings and privacy page. Scroll all the way down. Here you're going to find the option of free up space. Click on that. Then click on the option clear for the cache. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is head back. Make sure TikTok has permission to use your camera and microphone. For that, launch settings. Then scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find TikTok and launch it. Make sure you have toggle on for these options: camera, microphone, photos. If the option is still missing, what you want to do is launch TikTok. Navigate to settings and privacy page. Log out and log in back to your account. You should also verify that your account meets TikTok's eligibility requirements. The voice and video calling feature may be limited based on your age, region, or account status. Since TikTok rolls out new features gradually through server-side updates, some users may receive the feature before others. If you have tried all of these steps and still don't see the calling option, you may simply need to wait until TikTok enables it for your account. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.